Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power and environment. Plug the Fortress Ultra Quiet into a grounded 120V circuit and make sure circuit isn't loaded. Next, place the compressor on a flat surface with 12 to 18 inches clearance for airflow. This prevents overheating. Once positioned, attach the hose and quick connect. Hand tighten fittings first, then snug by 1/4 turn to avoid cross-threading. Finally, switch the main power to on and open the regulator slowly so the tank can pressurize to the preset cut-in level. You now set the working pressure by turning the regulator knob while watching the outlet gauge. Match the tool's required PSI because tank and outlet pressures differ. Once set, attach the tool and test spray or run for a few seconds to confirm steady flow. For paint or airbrush work, make sure an inline moisture trap and secondary regulator are installed to protect finish quality. Use the compressor intermittently. Aim for about a 50% duty cycle and allow a short cooldown every 20 to 30 minutes to preserve motor life. You finish by reducing the regulator to 0, switching the unit off, and opening the tank drain valve to bleed pressure. This prevents corrosion and makes storage safe. If the compressor cycles frequently or sounds stressed, check the intake filter for clogging, inspect hoses and fittings for leaks, and confirm the pressure switch settings. Replace worn seals as needed. If it fails to start, confirm the electrical circuit, reset any thermal overloads, and only then consult qualified service. Do not bypass safety devices.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.